What's up, people? Hopefully I'm not muted. No, I'm not muted. Hi everyone. What's going on? Potato, what's going on? iPhone fan. I still love that name. It's still such a good name. How's it going, dude? How's it going? Uh-oh. I might have broke. Did I break it? Nope. Well, you guys will let me know. I can't tell if I'm breaking things or not breaking things. I've broken so many things in the last 48 hours that I just don't know anymore. Oh my god, and now I see nothing in OBS. There we go. Okay, cool. Great. That's fine. That's good. How's it going? Oof. I think we got some work ahead of us. We definitely have some work ahead of us today. Ooh, we got some new followers since Monday. Yeah, cause Wednesday I didn't stream. Actually, in the last, yeah, we got men 99. Thank you for the follow. Unruly Hot Fixer. Oh man, that's a good name. That is a name that speaks to my soul. Thank you for the follow. And Aussie Plays It. Aussie, probably Aussie. Aussie Plays It. Aussie Plays YouTube. Ah, haha. I got it. I figured it out. Thank you also for the follow. Okay, guys, I'm in the middle of doing things. Things that I'm not proud of. I'm definitely not proud of this. But so far, it's been not terrible. As you can see, the branch we're in is convert to create React app. We're getting rid of Gatsby. Finally do it. I'm pulling the plug. I'm getting rid of it. It is not the tool for the job. It is a great tool, but I don't want to come at it with a hammer when I need a jigsaw. I don't know. Is that how tools work? Yeah. So we're pulling out. Better or for worse, we're pulling out Gatsby. Pulling out Gatsby from the project. Can I even just run what I have so far? I have no idea. I really don't know. Okay, looks like we can, which is good. At least it starts the dev server, which is fantastic. If everything works out smoothly, we'll get a hello world. We'll get a tan page with our nice blue hello world. Okay, look at that. Awesome. It is not the end of the world. So far, so good. About time. I know. Tell me about it. Tell me about it, One Dark. It's been a while. It's been needing to happen. And actually, I think I found. I don't know if you guys are how familiar you guys are with React and everything. But there's this thing called React Snapshot. I was looking into it. It seems pretty cool. Seems pretty neat. It totally lets you, it works out of the box with Create React app. And it actually lets you basically do like pre-rendered pages. So if you have some static pages, it lets you pre-render them. It's sort of like what Gatsby's doing, except it basically runs a browser under the hood, loads up the page, will navigate to various links and things like that. Take a snapshot of what it looks like after a timer, and then store that. And that can be rehydrated once the page fully loads. Which, I mean, honestly, that is. I find that with MovieOtter, it is definitely going to be the majority of things in it are going to be dynamic as like a single page app. And only a few pages will actually be static in that way. And so I think going with this route is going to be a lot better, a lot easier to maintain for sure. But yeah, so that's cool. That's super dope, and I'm very, very, very excited for that. The one question actually I had for you guys, for anyone who has a thought on it, right? I've been building so far, right? Again, all of this to hit MVP and everything like that. We've been kind of doing the trying to be very lean, relatively lean with MovieOtter as far as like features and setup and foundation and things like, well, I guess not foundation because that's how we kind of got into this mess. But for the most part, we've been relatively lean with things, right? And I think in trying to hit MVP, I mentioned before, I kind of got lost track of what it is I was trying to build and things like that. And one thing I never actually stopped to ask myself is, do I want MovieOtter to be an application, like an actual, like, more, when I think application, I think usability tool, right? So Trello, that's a great example of an app. You log in, you see your data, it's catered to you as a user. Cool. Yeah, you can invite people into your team, and they can also move cars, but it's primarily a usability tool, not a entertainment tool. Whereas something like, Letterboxd, I guess Letterboxd maybe is also more of a usability tool. But like something like, let's go extreme, Twitter, right? Twitter is a website. Yes, they have an app, and yes, it is a web app for sure. Like, there's definitely dynamic content going on. But you can go onto Twitter with nothing in mind, or go into Twitter with multiple things that you want to accomplish, and you can accomplish all those things on there. And I think I was trying to be too Twittery in my kind of approach to MovieOtter as a product, when I should be more Trello-y. In that I need to really focus, try to do one thing and do it very, very well. Obviously that is going to encompass multiple things, and we definitely want to make a product that, multiple users can find value in. But I do think I need to rein things in a little bit, and really, really make it good. So with all that said, oh man, my linting. Oh boy, I forgot in this project I switched to a much, I'm not gonna say stronger linter, but just a more involved linter, right? Especially like dealing with TypeScript and React and create React app. All these things kind of come in, and it's very easy to plug in like an ESLint file right out of the box. But what I'm doing is I'm actually, you can see here, I have my source Gatsby file, which is all my components and contexts and hooks and files and things from the Gatsby version of MovieOtter, and I'm slowly migrating things into here, and it's a doozy. It's been a doozy for sure. So far I just kind of been working with base. So far nothing super crazy exists or anything like that. I think what I do want to move over is shell. Definitely want to move over shell. That would be good to do. Let's see. So yeah, the today's stream is going to be more grunt worky, right? I don't think we're going to run into any crazy problems or any newfangled tech solutions that we have to do or anything like that. And the whole purpose of trying to move away from Gatsby to just create React app is to simplify things. So I am hoping that is what we get out of this. Peak, is this the Film Beaver stream? Yes, this is exactly that. It is the Film Beaver stream. You know what's funny? I think it was actually on Monday when we were playing in our cooldown. Pat had said, I think it was after stream or something like that. We were talking. And he was like, yeah, things are going really well with FilmOtter. And I was like, what? And he was like, oh no. So I think slowly but surely we're convincing Pat to come over to the yacht side, and maybe he'll be a MovieOtter one day. I can only hope. Shell. Actually, I feel like shell we can actually pull this into our base, because this isn't gonna change across like the app or anything like that, right? I don't think so. Okay, let's do that. Let's first, where's our snack bar provider? Notice Stack. Cool. We just gotta import this in. Oh, we're in shell. I want. Oh God, I hate this. I hate this. Okay, shell. if we go to base, there's a couple things. I want to just pull in some stuff with base merger. Oh man, yeah, that'd be cool. Everyone can be friends again. That would be super. I would be down for that at least. All right, I have no idea if Pat would be, but I would definitely be. He doesn't really like me though, so probably not. If I had to guess, he probably wouldn't want to do that. Okay, so far so good. Why? There we go. Also, why am I pulling this long name and not just FC? I don't know. Somebody told me that the other day, or not the other day, but like I have a developer friend, my friend Arthur. He uses React at work, and you know he's big on the TypeScript whenever he can use it as well. And he was telling me how I had like he had a question about Material UI. He was trying to use Material UI, and obviously I use it a lot, like in this project and in many other projects. He had a question about it, and so I like just wrote up like a gist and I sent it to him, or maybe even I linked him to you know, one of the open source repos I have. And he was like, "Oh, dude, yeah, that's so cool. Thank you, you know." But why are you pulling in functional component and not just FC? It's like literally the same thing. It's like an alias. And I was like, what? Oh, it is, and that's so much shorter. So much nicer to write. Oh, I felt so silly. So that is a silly story as to why he's not on the stream anymore, because he made me feel silly, and I don't like that. Okay, so far so good. Let's you gotta bring this in. Okay, we get our snack bar classes. I'm lightweight worried that base is just gonna balloon. It's just gonna balloon and be so big, so large. And I don't think there's really anything I can do about it. And I don't think it's actually even necessarily a bad thing. It's just a little worrisome. That's all. Just a tad bit. Let's see. Okay, so far so good. This is in. Everything's happy. Page reloaded just fine. All right. Dang, I missed the story. Huh? You didn't miss the story. It was a bad story. It was a real bad story. Ooh, wait. I need to look into using what is it? React Helmet? That's a thing, right? Oh, is it? Does React Helmet just kind of work out of the box? I know like Gatsby uses it, but I never had to do anything to necessarily set that up. So I'm very curious how that works. Oh, I guess it auto just pulls it up to the top. Download application, that's the component. My title, that's the title. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sweet. Heck yeah. All right. We're gonna do it. We're gonna try it at least. I might have to. And header, I think it already uses Helmet. No. And SEO uses Helmet. So maybe we don't actually need to do anything different. Maybe Helmet will just kick in and keep everything going for us. That would be ideal, right? Okay. The header and stuff would be below the browser router, right? Actually, I don't know. With React Router. With React Router, where do people generally keep, where in the hierarchy do you keep your browser router? You generally keep it just before any content, right? And so my header and footer won't really change depending on the route that I'm in. And so it should be above those, I believe. You know what? That's what we're gonna do. We'll see if that was a grave mistake. Let's see. Okay, I gotta pull these things in. Import header from. One thing I'm happy that I did is set it up so I can just do Oh, header doesn't exist here. What is that? I set it up so that I don't need to do relative paths for imports. Oh man, I missed that. I forgot how just nice and convenient that is. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, header and footer. We copy these, paste them in new components. Why didn't header come? Header, copy, paste. Okay. What? Okay. So far, so good. I need to probably fix some things in there. Color. Ooh, is it color or colors? I hate not having a very good naming convention. Where like some files I name plural, some are singular. I'm trying to also fix all that with this refactor, but I'm not gonna get everything the first time around, and it's very unfortunate. Color actually also exports that as default, so cool. Well, I don't think that's gonna be an issue. And then if we look in header, yep, okay. Providers, off provider. This it's just gonna be regular. Oh, the login buttons. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to bring those in. I'm gonna have to bring in use breakpoint. That's gonna be a thing. Man, header is heavy. I forgot. Components / that stuff. Capital L, capital U, and capital U. If they don't show up, I sent 16 artifacts. Sweet. Did you send them? I think you sent them on Discord. Can you check your stream? Check your stream. I will resend them. I will see if you sent them. I will not read them or anything quite yet. Just because I don't want to get distracted. I want to try to make sure we can do as much work on stream as we can. I do not see them on stream or anything. But maybe send them over Discord. I think Discord's probably a little bit better as far as like messaging and stuff too. Okay. Login button, logout button, user auth button, and user avatar. Oh, this is gonna be a rabbit hole that I gotta do it. It's a pain, but I guess that is the whole point of this, is to slowly move over and migrate all of our wonderful files that just were a pain. Log out button, and then if we duplicate log in button, and if we take both of these, cut and paste, okay, and rename. Oh man, this is gonna be so tedious. So very tedious. Somebody save me. Thankfully though, these are pretty small files, so it's not the end of the world for these. Let's log out. Log in should also, I think we could just copy paste that line. Sweet. Okay, so far so good. If we go back to header, we might need to restart our TypeScript server, because I think it gets very confused very easily. But will it be tedious? I don't know. Only time will tell. Guys, the one thing I love about streaming, and let me know if you guys can hear this, because that would be annoying and I definitely wouldn't do it then. I love being able to snack and just stuff my face, and it's not a big deal. We just got grapes at the store today. So good. So good. I actually feel like this should probably be, yeah, that's better. I don't think we need to see that much here. There's actually not that much going on, so definitely don't need to see that much here. Let's see. It's oh man. Can you really? Can you actually hear it? Oh no. No, you're joking with me. Well. Oh man. Just lean away. Okay, like way over here, or should I just keep going? Just keep going all the way over here. Just. You mean lean in? See? Yeah, exactly. Peak knows. I need Peak as a manager. All right, I need him as just like a stream manager. He'll bring everything together. It'll be good. Well, he'll open up new avenues and revenue paths for me. Right? How many dev ASMR streamers are there? Probably not a lot, right? Low competition. Oh man. Well, I guess while it's reloading, I can do user buttons. That's a thing. User off button and user avatar. User avatar. User off. I can't. I gotta duplicate. User off button. Duplicate user avatar. And then cut both of these. Oh, paste them up here. Hopefully these don't have any more. Did it do both? Okay, yeah, it did do both. Hopefully these don't have any more like crazy imports. No. I don't want you to do anything because I don't know what you did. Wait. What? Why do I have two of these? I guess we'll just delete that one. Sure, delete man, what? Why are you making this? Wait, and I already have user avatar? I guess I already have user avatar. This is concerning. I feel like I messed up. I feel like I messed something up and I don't know what. Man. All right. Okay. Oh, we don't have React router anymore. Wait a minute. No, we do. React router DOM. Right? I got sure. Is there a navigate? There's not a navigate in here. There's not a navigate function in here. Use history, use param, use a whole bunch of things. What if we do DOM? What do we get in DOM? Do we get same things? Crap. Use params, use location? Can you set the location with that? Oh man. All right, hold on. Let's do a quick Google. React router change URL. Sure. I just want to know. It'd probably be easier if I just went to the docs for it. No. React router. Screw it. Let's just go here. Go to the docs. Web. Okay. Redirects? Oh, these are examples. No. Quick guide. Hooks. Link. Nav link. Prompt. Memory rep. Why is it difficult? I just want to change it. I just want to go. Just two. Maybe it is location. Nope. That's not it. That's not it at all. History push. Is it history push? I think it might be history push. Where you want it to go, or even where it was, it looks like this. Blah 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 blah. It's also found on history.location, but you shouldn't use that because it's mutable. You can read more about that in history. Location object is never mutated, so you can use it in the lifecycle hooks to determine when navigation happens. This is really useful for data fetching animate. Ah, okay. That's interesting. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so you do just use history. That, perfect. Cool. Use history. And I guess we'll just use regular rect that. Posted it on Discord. Can't wait to see my potato on the wall. Oh man, it's all falling, dude. Yeah, I am breaking way more than I am fixing. So much so. Providers, off provider. Oh man, I don't have person. I don't even know what person is. Obviously it's a component, but I don't know from where or why. We'll see. We'll see. Oh man. Okay. Use. Nope. Hold on. Const history equals use history. Okay. That's easy enough. And then I can do history dot push, and in it I can just pass string as well as state. Interesting. Okay. Let's just pass 2. Let's just pass 2. Why is this upset? Okay. Honestly, if that's all, that's not that bad. That is not that bad at all. I will take that work all day long. It doesn't know what user avatar is, but oh, am I just not using user? I'm just not using it. That might have been a thing I didn't need to import then. Great. User auth button, user avatar we already fixed. Let's go back to header. It's complaining about user auth button and use breakpoint. Did I? Yeah, React router is super complex. I built my own router because of that. Dude, you gotta share it. You gotta share it. I know what, like one of the guys who made React router ended up branching away from it and making Reach router, right? Isn't that Reach router? No, that's Reach UI. What? Reach router? Is this one? Yeah. Which I don't understand. Yeah, this guy, Ryan Florence. That's right. Which I'm confused. What? Well, now I'm confused. Does Reach router just not exist anymore? It's taking me to this Reach UI. Each component, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Well, now I'm so confused. Did Reach router just disappear? Is Reach router not a thing anymore? Oh, they brought it into React router. Gotcha. Okay. That's cool. 5 years ago, Michael. Yep. Okay. Reach router is being merged back into React router. Gotcha. Yep. Yeah, it would have been if I had just saw chat a second earlier. Ooh, itsy bitsy router. Oh man. Oh, that's cool. Very opinionated. I like it. All right. All right. It never will be. You know what? I'm gonna star it just for that. That deserves a star all on its own. All on its own. Ooh, interesting. Ah, that's super cool. Whoa. Hold on. Hold on. You made a hook that returns a component? I don't know why, but that blows my mind. I don't know why, like why wouldn't you be able to do that, right? Like a hook is just a function, a component is just a function. We write functions that return functions all the time. I don't know why I probably would have never thought to do that, if I'm being perfectly honest. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Well, hey, now I mean I started, and honestly, you seem like you got some good stuff, so I'll even go ahead and follow. And we'll just see what other stuff we can dive into from there. But dope. I like that concept. And I feel really silly for not thinking of that before. Okay, let's restart this again. Hope for the best. Please just work. Header should be fine. User avatar needs user off button needs person. Apparently I have a person component down here. Don't remember making that. Actually, I do remember making that. I think I was supposed to replace user avatar with this user or with this person, and I never did. Do I even use user avatar anywhere then? Do I need it? Should I just get rid of it? Oh, I think it's in user profile edit. Nope. Hold on. You know what? This is not where. Apparently it's in header. Okay, well, I use it in header, so never mind. But either way, this is not the moment to make those edits. That is for future me. That is a future me's problem. I'm not gonna do that now. We are just trying to make this create React app work. Can't find Gatsby in header. I thought I fixed that. Nope. I thought I fixed that. Header. Oh, this also uses okay. React router. I think it actually has a link. Oh, well, TypeScript is still running. This is the only painful part about VS Code. And I don't know why. I think it's definitely something wrong with my settings, because I don't remember it ever being this bad before. But I also know that I'm in the middle of breaking things, simultaneously breaking and fixing things. So I'm not gonna blame VS Code for this. It's definitely probably a user error if I had to take a guess. But if I am not mistaken, React Router DOM auto, like in its dependencies, is React Router, and it just, to my knowledge, DOM just re-exposes the stuff from React Router. I guess I can and should do DOM just to be safe. Did I do that before? Off button? No, I just did regular React Router. So maybe, yeah, we'll do DOM. We'll do DOM just to be safe. You're right. You're right. I think you can do either one, but it's probably safe. Better to be safe than sorry. So we'll just use that. Okay. Const history equals use history. Link, I think, can stay the same. Yeah. Where was I using navigate? Fine, navigate. Okay. History dot push that. Well, now it doesn't like this. Oh. There we go. Okay. Some other stuff down here. Oh, just more navigates. Easy fixes. Easy fixes. All of these. Man, there's a lot. Okay. I'm going to say history dot push. Boom. Done. Fixed. Solved it. Oh, no. Use breakpoint. That's something. That's something I got to bring in for sure. Which I'm actually a little upset that, and honestly, it might be. I know literally Material UI is spouting out that version 5 of their stuff is out now. But I'm surprised they don't just give you a hook out of the box to get the breakpoint. I'm a little surprised I had to make my own. I guess they give you use query. And so technically you can just do exactly what I did and just build your own based off of querying for the media size. But I don't know. It would have been, I'm sure they would have had a much more elegant solution. So I am more so upset by me in that I probably just did it in a not good way. But that's okay. Yeah, like you can use theme and then you can check the theme breakpoints and use them. Use media query and all that. They give you all the hooks to do it. I just duct taped it together. Cool. It should be not angry anymore. What is it upset by? What? Okay, well this is in base. Oh! Data, site, metadata type. Oh. Oh man. I don't remember where that information came from. Yeah, the site data and all that jazz. Man, where did that come from? It was here, let's look at GitHub, standby data, MovieOtter. Cool. Sorry guys, hold on. The we blew a power fuse. The downstairs breaker flipped, and my girlfriend was in the middle of her game and it just shut off. She doesn't know when she last saved or anything like that, which is, oh, we've all been there. Everyone knows that problem, that pain. No. Yeah, oh yeah, probably. Either that or yeah, maybe you just come up here and play. I know, it's so bad. That's a huge oof. Huge oof. That's a whoopsies. I always wondered how some random rich dude in Naruto had a flip phone, but the Hokage still communicated using carrier birds. Who had a flip phone? Remember that? I mean, I'm not surprised by any means. I definitely don't remember that. View code. Okay, let's. Was it? Okay. It's got to be Gatsby config. Yes. Haha. Okay. Site title is just MovieOtter. I don't need to really do anything crazy there. Why did I even break that out? The header is not going to change. Let's fix that. The header, it doesn't care about site title. It doesn't care about any props actually. Which means we can get rid of that. Which means if there's no props or anything, we can actually just get rid of all the styling and it'll just default to be a JSX element, which is exactly what we want. Movie, well, it's hard code MovieOtter. Or I guess, no, let's just hard code it. Screw it. Keep it simple, right? Keep it simple, stupid. Isn't that the thing with me? Cool. Did that fix it? No. Wait, I'm using link outside. Oh, okay. That's good. Okay, wait, but that's in header. Oh, okay. Yes. Haha. I'm getting there. I'm getting there slowly but surely. I'm getting there. I promise. Header and footer probably need to be within the browser router. Yeah, look at that. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's almost as if it's the same site that we had. Wait, not even carried over and everything. Man, crap, that is a lot more is here than I thought would be. and if we look, our URLs and everything are actually changing as we navigate around. If you look up here, and it's being pushed to the history and everything. Okay, this is nice. This was a much easier transfer than I expected. And yes, it was a little bit of a headache importing everything and making sure everything was there, but at the end of the day, it actually worked, which is great. Oh man. Dude, if it crashed everything, I just cry. I've had that happen actually before. We've had a stream where just everything broke. Like a fuse blew and my computer died, the stream died, the server died, and all that stuff. I mean, thankfully, I save often, save early, save often, right? That's the old adage. So it wasn't too bad, but it definitely was not fun. Was not fun at all. C Films, what's up, dude? The power blew while I was in the bathroom. Very rude of that power. God. Karma for your keyboard clicking. Oh man, it'll blow up. Save when you can, not when you have. Exactly. That's a really good motto, actually. Save when you can, not when you have to. Yeah, that's pretty good. Guys, question. One thing I've been thinking, right? It's a crazy idea, but hear me out. If you, we'll do this in 2 different tabs. If I go to twitter.com, right? It looks like this. You can't scroll to the end, right? It's just all feed and everything like that. And the nav menu is over here on the side, right? I kind of like that idea. But one thing I like even more is if you go to Twitter on a mobile device, they actually give you, same thing, right? Is a feed. They give you a little menu that pops out, similar to kind of how we have it, right? All good and dandy. But they give you actually like home, like a home tab here down at the bottom of the screen. And I've been thinking maybe that's what I should do for MovieOtter, right? Especially on mobile. It's what I've been thinking. I think it looks fine. I think it looks good. We wouldn't do it now, obviously, right? We're just trying to literally just copy paste migrate what we have over to create React app and just get it off of Gatsby. But it's not a terrible idea, right? At least I don't think so. We'll see. Yeah, so that's a thought. That's all I'll say. It's a thought. Okay. Dan, I'm very surprised that this is here already. Ooh. I wonder in shell, was shell the thing that, or no, layout. I had a, I have another component called layout, which just does simple page layout thing, which actually I don't need to make this a whole nother. We can literally just copy paste this into our base component, because I don't know why I even made it a new component there. Okay, it's yelling at me, but I'm gonna fix it. Also, this is way too big. Why aren't you guys yelling at me? We can make this smaller. We can make it a wee bit smaller. There we go. There we go. Reload, P, eat. Yeah, honestly, yeah. You can reload. You can exchange save with a lot of different things. Okay, let's pull in a box, and that should make the page work again. Everything should be fine. We get our hello world at the bottom of the page. We have that. Actually, hold on. I know I literally just said I wouldn't go on this tangent and do this, but what if we replace the footer with the bottom navigation, and just on mobile we show like icons, and anything above mobile we show something else? Just an idea. It's a crazy idea, I know, but I'm curious to know what that looks like. So we do have a bottom navigation. Does it automatically stick? Do we know if it automatically sticks to the bottom of the page? That's what I want to know. Allows movement between primary destinations and an app. Bottom navigation bars display 3 to 5 destinations at the bottom of the screen. Each destination is represented by an icon, blah, blah, blah. When a bottom navigation icon is tapped, the user is taken to the top level navigation destination associated with that icon. Cool. Let's see, value on change. Okay. Oh, maybe I might do it. I'm not gonna do it. No, I can't do it. I just want to know, does it always stick to the bottom? I think it does. I'm gonna assume it does. You know what? We could test it, right? Yeah, exactly. See, the encouragement that I probably don't need, if I'm being honest. But I want to do it. I want to try it. Let's try it. Okay, we go to our footer. Let's go back here. If in base, let's just, what? No, let's just do it in base. We're gonna experiment. Okay, if we get rid of footer, right? We just don't need it. Footer's gone. There's no footer now. You can't scroll. Okay. If instead I just paste their bottom navigation stuff, bottom navigation and bottom navigation action. I guess I need icons too. Okay, then import something from that material core icons. The icons are restore favorite location. Okay. Restore favorite location. Is there not just a location? Okay. Location on? Sure. Okay. Let's get rid of icon. Get rid of icon. There's no classes. Let's just comment that out. Value is just always going to be 1. On change, we're just gonna, I don't know, do nothing. Console.log new value. Oh, there you go. Boom. Should be happy. It should be fine. Poop. Okay. Oh, wait. I think that's because of this. Hold on. If we I think it's because of the stupid min height thing. Crap. Why? How did they get that to stick to the bottom? I could wrap this in a I can wrap this in a div, but that doesn't seem. I can wrap it in a div that's relative, and then give the bottom navigation an absolute positioning and stick it to the bottom, right? Totally a possibility. And in fact, let's just try it. Let's just try it. Position relative. Where's the closing box? I need another closing box. Oh man, this is very, very quickly becoming a disaster. A real disaster. Okay. Style. Cool, we'll just do it here. Position absolute bottom 0. Okay. Height 100% view height with 100% view width. Okay. All right. Getting somewhere. With 100%. That was pretty quick. That was pretty fast. That actually wasn't painful at all. And this still works. All of these things still work. What does it look like on not mobile? If we were to make this big. Oh, okay. So yeah, we definitely wouldn't want this outside of. It's definitely the thing to only do on mobile. Once you hit medium and up, bigger breakpoints, just don't do it. Do it. Don't be a baby. Okay. All right. I'm not gonna continue with this now, but I do love the promise that this gives. I really, really love that. Okay. All right. I think that is definitely a route that I will take once we're done with open sourcing MovieOtter. Once we get it all on Create React App, it'll be fantastic and it'll work just beautifully, and there's going to be no problems whatsoever, and everything's going to be great. And I can't wait, and I'm sure you can't wait. But I guess for now we'll do that. I wish I could just know the height of the footer. I wish the footer was the same height all the time. I think it changes. I'm pretty sure it changes because it gets wider or thinner, everything like that. Okay, yeah. Else, I could do like some weird calc in here where it's 100% view height minus the footer and all this other stuff. It's too much. Too much. Not gonna do it. But wait. Wait a second. One change I can do, which actually would be good and would work. So if I put this in a box, you know, my good old boxes. Hold on, stick with me here. I know you guys are tired of seeing me throw boxes around, all right? But it'll work. Display flex display flex. Is that right? Yeah, there we go. Flex direction column. Come on, give me column. Is that how you spell column? No, that's how you spell column. Okay. This flex grow 1. That wasn't it. That didn't do the thing. Hold on. That didn't do the thing at all. It very much did not do the thing that I was expecting it to do. it. Oh. Wait. Styles. Why is this not growing? This is display flex column. Oh. Height 100%. Still no. Hold on. Why? What did I do to anger you? Why are you upset with me? Height. Height 100 view height? Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's so weird. Why do I need 100 view height? Is it because... Oh, it's because the root isn't actually 100% view height. Okay, okay. That's fine. I can live with that. I am mistaken. Sweet. Okay, now I am very, very curious to know what happens when this needs to scroll. Okay. Okay. I can live with that. That is totally okay. That is exactly actually what I expected, and that is what I want. And I am very, very happy with that. Nice. I fixed the thing. We actually made it better. Thanks. Thanks, everyone. For believing in me. I knew you do. I know you do. I know I have your support. Your love and support. It's great. Gotta stay hydrated. Okay. So far, so good. I think now is where we can actually start. Because all this is base. I think now we can actually start with our routes. Can we just do routes need to be direct children of the provider? Or can they be okay, no, they can be anywhere within here. They can be anywhere in here. Oh, they might need to be direct children of switches though. Interesting. Nice. Okay. All right. You know what? I'm gonna do it. Let's just go for it. Let's just try it and see what we get. Import a bunch of stuff from React Router DOM, React Router DOM. We're gonna need switch. We're gonna need route. I think that's it actually. Okay. Let's switch. Route or path. Okay, and I would need to go in the reverse order too. That's fine. Oh wait, we don't have our home. Our home page isn't in the new source yet. Okay. Oh, and our home is a page. It was a Gatsby page, which is different. If we copy this, paste it in components, and then we need to first let's rename it. Homepage? Homepage. Is the P in homepage capitalized? Like, not is it, but should it be capitalized? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so. No. Nope. Touche. All right, that actually was good. Oh man, but now no, never. I should just hit never. Homepage. All the way down here at the bottom. Let's do. I'm probably gonna change that. I'm not gonna lie. It feels weird. I don't need layout. SEO we're gonna need. I can pull that in. All of these can just be that. Okay. I think that's fine. You know what? Let's start small too. I'm gonna rename some of these. We're gonna start real small. Prompts, Discord server. Let's do none of these. Let's literally only not do that. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. We're the Discord server. Or the features. Feature. Man, I have so many features. Because we're building something that's cool. Okay. Almost done. Almost there. Last one. Okay. Newsletter prompts. Get rid of that. We don't need layout. Oh, but I need to replace it with something, probably. This box. Still a box in there. It's fine. Okay. There's no complaints in this file. Except for apparently this. I don't know why. Oh, and SEO. Ooh, we need to carry over SEO. That was a good folder. A good file folder. Duplicate. Ooh. Yeah, that should be capitalized. All caps. Crap. Where'd it go? Sure. What? Whatever. Cut, paste. Well, I'll worry about that later. Actually, I'm not even gonna worry about that. I don't care about that Gatsby source at all. Big ol' SEO. It's big ol' SEO. I don't need to care about this. This already pulls in React Helmet, which actually I don't know if it's in my package or not though. I think Gatsby might have been importing React Helmet. No, it's here. Sweet. Easy. So React Helmet, the metas, all of these things are here. This site information is going to change. The site description, the title, or MovieOtter. Okay. Crap. What? MovieOtter. I'm breaking things, aren't I? Yeah, I'm breaking things. That's okay. Site stuff we'll get in a second. Okay. So far, so good. It's actually not that bad. Not that difficult yet. Why goodbye, Gatsby? Yes. We're saying goodbye to Gatsby. Not because Gatsby is necessarily bad. I actually think Gatsby is fine. It's just not the right tool for the project that we're building. I do think I am trying to do something that is likely going to be not even likely from practice, from playing with it. It is primarily going to be a dynamic website, and only like some select pages are going to be static. And Gatsby is really a tool for like the exact opposite. When you're going to have the majority of your stuff be static, like a blog or something like that, you know, a promotional website or anything like that. And only like some pages are dynamic. So like maybe you have, you know, like if you're doing like a promotional website for like a band or something, right? You might have like a next concert page or something like that shows where they're going to be next on their tour. But like, you know, the pages about the band and the albums and the music style and their, you know, background story, all that stuff's going to be static. It's great for Gatsby. If you run a blog, right? You write an article, you're done with it. Maybe you go back and edit it, right? Maybe you touch it up, but page by page, the site's pretty much going to be primarily the same. Whereas that is like the exact opposite of what we're doing. So I foolishly just chose the wrong tool for the job at the beginning of this project. And we are finally just fixing it. Finally doing something to make it better. Been lurking while making dinner. Ooh, what are you having, Voltagod? Voltagod? I think I was I know you've been here before, and it's I remember also liking your name last time you were here. So been lurking for a while, making dinner, so haven't been able to hear anything. Are you basically rewriting the whole app right now? No, I cannot allow myself to rewrite the whole app right now. I'm just trying to changing the web framework that I'm working in. So it's still React, right? We're still using React. We're still using the latest React. So we, mostly functional components and hooks and all that beauty, all that jazz. We're just changing it from being a Gatsby website, so something that is made. We're exporting these like static builds of things and then uploading those to a CDN, to instead being a like more traditional single page application. So we're just changing it back to actually create React app. We're gonna dump a JavaScript payload onto the client, and then once that's there, everything's gonna load and the page will re-render itself to fit whatever URLs they hit and things like that. It is an easier switch than I expected, which is a little concerning, right? I don't. Does anybody else get that? Like any other developers in stream, or like you try something and you're like exploring something and it's working out a little too well, like things are going too smoothly, and you're like, well, wait, am I doing something wrong here? Like it shouldn't it be more difficult? But no, like I think, yeah, just so far the change has been super nice. All the components, like I said, we're basically just copying over all our components from the old source to the new source directory, renaming and like touching up imports and stuff as needed. But the goal for this PR that we're working towards is not to actually rebuild the app. It is just to change the foundation of it, which sounds like you're rebuilding the app. I think you should relieve yourself from happy artifacts. Oh yeah, I didn't check spelling off. I might mess up a little bit. No, I won't do it. Yeah, I'll do it off stream. I can't get distracted. Are you planning on refactoring your persistent layer, or is NoSQL working out fine? Ooh, that is a good question. Not in, I guess technically it is a part of this PR, but not in this exact like chore that we're working on. I actually do think I'm going to change things a little bit with like data persistence. For the time being, I think I'm still going to use Firebase because I'm not a backend developer, and I definitely could learn database management and stuff, but I don't know if that would be the best use of my time. Out of personal curiosity, I would love to learn it and everything like that, and actually try like a SQL-based database and stuff like that. But unfortunately, Firebase is still just very, very convenient. One thing I think I will do, though, to help me in a transition to potentially move to a different kind of database structure, is I think I'm gonna change how, I think I'm gonna create an API layer and actually go through that and not tie MovieOtter, the project, the website, the web app, so heavily into Firebase. Like right now, it is very much just tied to Firebase, right? Like there's no way I could easily pull out Firebase and replace it with something else. And that is just kind of bad design, right? Like if you can set yourself up to not have that, it's generally good. So I do think I'm going to build like an API layer and actually just communicate with Firebase through API calls, like web calls. Still using Firebase for sure, right? Like they give you a way to make an API call to their serverless functions with like context of a user logged in and everything like that. And I'll definitely be using those, but I want to make it so that if I do switch to something like a Postgres, or even just switch to another NoSQL, if I switch to Mongo or something like that, right? And I wanted to hit like an Express backend that I build or something like that, it would still be virtually impossible the way it is now. So definitely will be changing those things, but not at this moment. But I do want to do that very, very soon. I want that to be a part of the open source. Actually, that might even come after we open source things, because that doesn't, it's bad, but maybe people would be more interested in helping contribute to that. Maybe you guys have really good ways of solving those problems and stuff. So yeah, that's the thing I'm working on now. Let's see. Wait, is it? Oh man, is it Amir Tech? Is it Amir A Tech? Is it like Amir middle initial A, last name Tech? Is it Amir Tech? Like a Pokemon move or something, you know? Man, I'm wondering now. But thank you for the follow. Didn't see that earlier. Gotcha. I haven't used it yet, but was thinking of rewriting my portfolio site with it. So I was curious to see why you were migrating. No, honestly, actually, if I'm being super transparent, that Command Shift Enter, sure. I actually use it for my portfolio site. Folio. Did I spell that right? Yes. My current portfolio site is using Gatsby, and for something like that, it is perfectly fine, right? Like I'm not going there, I'm not making changes. There's no like dynamic things being loaded in and out on a page load and stuff like that. Like you load it once it's there, it's done, and that's like I think the perfect example of when you should use Gatsby, even if you're gonna show off like your portfolio on your site, right? So like say you have like a bunch of programs or you know a bunch of projects that you did and you want to have like entries for them and stuff like that. Even that is something that Gatsby I feel like excels at, right? Because that's still just static content. Once somebody is on you know your project page, you know like you know portfolio / some foobar project, that data is not really changing. It's not dynamic in that way. So it is definitely probably an ideal thing to use, especially if you're comfortable with React and you want to, and if you want to give it a try. That is like a textbook great example of something you should try with it, at least in my opinion. Fine, I'll give you some small facts to brighten your day throughout the stream. Ooh, okay. Fact 1, when a kiwi bird owner left a little extra food for it, the kiwi bird freaked out and joyed during the night. Oh man, that's actually pretty cool. You know that Supreme Oreos cost $95,000? What are Supreme like Supreme the clothing brand? They partnered with Oreos? Man, that'd actually be really good. I would love that. Gatsby uses a familiar router API, and if you weren't using their GQL layer, but it's a fairly easy switch. Dude, I love GraphQL. First of all, GraphQL is absolutely fantastic. We use it at work, in my day job, and it's super good. It's super fun. It is very just nice compared to traditional like REST APIs, right? I guess, yeah, it's not considered REST. REST is like when you're making a call and you get JSON back and blah blah blah. Ooh, oh my god, Quasi TV coming in with the sub, my dude. What is going on? Happy Hamilton Day. You know what's funny? I still need to watch it. I went all day for whatever reason. I had to run errands and stuff earlier today. But I could have made time, you know? I definitely could have made time. You just finished watching it. Is it good? Is it good? How do you guys like it? How do you like it? Did you watch it by your lonesome? Also, for anyone who doesn't know, Quasi TV is a really good friend, streamer, and game developer. He's great. You should definitely go check him out. It's only the single best thing I've ever seen. You know, hold on, wait a second. Pretty sure I've heard you say that about multiple things. Dragon Ball Z at one time was the single greatest thing you ever seen. Avatar: The Last Airbender at one time was the single greatest thing you ever seen. Shotgun Farm. You never said that about Shotgun Farmers, but now you feel that. You used to didn't say that actually, but now you said it's the greatest thing you ever did. You said that on stream. I guess you didn't really make Hamilton, so that's kind of irrelevant. But yeah, what's up with that? You're wishy-washy, man. I don't know what I can believe. I don't know what I can believe. Yeah, my #1 rank is really flaky. That's fair. That's fair. It happens. It happens to the best of us. We all get confused, right? At one time or another. Okay. Let's copy this. Okay, so that's fixed. Site author. Who's the author? Oh, just me, Isaiah Baidea. I am the author. Cool. And I think that's it. Our SEO component should be all done now. So in our homepage, SEO that needs to be capitalized. I don't know why it's complaining about SVGs. Did we change SVGs? No, I never touched that. That should be fine. What are you doing, app? What are you doing? And let's import homepage from components/homepage. Let's try it. Let's give it a shot. Let's see what happens. I don't. Look at that. It's there. It's there. It worked so beautifully right out of the gate. Oh my gosh. Refresh. Boom. It's showing up. We got this still. Everything is carrying over so well, and I'm so excited. The Last Airbender was the greatest thing I've ever seen. Honestly, it was funny. My girlfriend's family, they came in on Tuesday, I forget. Tuesday or Wednesday, for a few days on their way to LA. And my girlfriend's brother is watching Avatar: The Last Airbender for the first time. They're on season 2. They're watching it for the first time. And I'm like, oh, dude, what I wouldn't do to relive watching that for the first time. I know that there's kind of like some people get really upset when people say that, right? Like, what do you mean you want to like relive and see something again for the first time and blah, 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 and yada, yada. And I'm like, yeah, I do. That was a fantastic experience. If I could, I would give so much to just be able to rewatch that show for the first time. It's so good. It's fantastic. About the double COD, I was trying to suggest. Oh. No, Cerebral, no. We don't speak of that, all right? We do not speak of that movie. Oh, God. Oh, God. No. I misunderstood. You are just wrong. You're just so wrong, and I hate it. I hate everything about everything you just said. Ooh, Knives Out. Dude, Knives Out was really good. I loved it. Honestly, I love a good whodunit. If you like Knives Out, you should see Murder on the Orient Express. If you haven't already. They're making the not follow-up movie, but the series sequel to that. It's kind of like James Bond, right? Where like, yeah, technically, you know, every new 007 movie that comes out is a sequel to the one that came before it. But it is unrelated, you know, from like movie to movie. What do you mean it was so boring? It was not boring. It was a whodunit. It was a really good one at that. I thought it was fantastic. Okay. I thought it was wonderful. So suck it. Ooh, how does this work? Can I just do a H1? Say but. Okay, so we don't see but. If I go to movies, oh, wait, same path. If I get rid of path, this should be then a fallback, right? Isn't that how that works? No, that's not how it works. How do you make a fallback? Crap. I don't remember how to make a fallback. Nesting routes? Okay, that's not really what I'm going for. Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. Um, hmm. I'm definitely gonna use this. Uh, but that is not what I'm looking for. I don't see how do you do a catch-all? Slash star. Huh. Path equals slash star. Let's see. Oh, wait. Oh man. Hold on. If I think I think path is catching it because it's still technically starting with a slash. Whoa. I think slash star would be the catch-all for like anything, or even just not putting a path to begin with. But I think if I want to have a homepage, like if I was to move this, dang it, if I was to move this up, right, and have it be, I don't know, movies, right? Right, nothing on the homepage, it goes to slash movies, and if I go to movies, we'll see but if I was to move movies below home would trigger. Home technically matches, you know, slash matches slash movies or whatever, however they do it there. So you might be right, but I'm not sure how best to do that. And I think they have a way. No match. Well, I just want to see the code for it. How do I see the code for it? But where's the code for it? Okay, route switch. Ah, okay. So maybe oh man. Poop. Oh, okay. Okay, hold on. I think I got it. I think it's the exact. I think that's it. This should be butt. Yep. Cool. Yep. I remember reading that before. Exact as did you just say that? Oh man. Why didn't I just look at chat like 4 seconds earlier? Yep, you are 100% right though. 100% right, dude. Is Gatsby bad now? No, Gatsby is actually great. It's just not what we need for the project that we're building, unfortunately. I probably would. I'm actually thinking about one, building my own personal blog, and two, maybe making a blog for MovieOtter that kind of like documents a lot of the things we do. It would document why we are changing, for example, from Gatsby to just create React app. Because again, I'm trying to build MovieOtter in the open. I want there to be some project that people can jump in and out of. They can check it out on GitHub. They can see what it is we're doing and why we're doing it, and be here and actually talk and communicate and be in chat and interact with the community and stuff like that. And so I think it would be beneficial to have a blog specifically for MovieOtter. And that I probably would. I know this whole project, this whole part right here is about ripping out Gatsby and going back to create React app. But with Firebase, there is a way to like route stuff under a specific URL path to effectively separate projects. I would totally consider that, right? I would totally consider using Gatsby for that, because that's exactly what Gatsby is good at. So it's not that Gatsby's bad. It was I made a bad choice in choosing Gatsby for this project. Ooh, what's up, baby? I like that. Open sandbox to see the code. We are making it open source. We're making it open source. We're working towards that. In fact, this is one of the things that that we really needed to change in order to changing from Gatsby to create React app is one of the things that we really needed to do in order to make it possible for us to open source it. It's way too just terrible, way too terrible with it not being open source the way it was written with Gatsby rather. Ooh, fact 2. The Greenland shark is the longest living species of shark and the oldest found and estimated to be 512 years old, meaning it was born before America had independence. Holy crap. Dude, that's an old shark. That's an old shark. That's a surprising fact, honestly. What's the longest living, I guess, sea creature we don't know? We don't even know all the creatures in the sea, right? Like in the bottom of the ocean, the depths of the darkest pits of the ocean, we don't even know what's down there. But what is the longest living land animal, above water animal, right? I know parrots live a long time. Turtles, gotta be turtles. Yeah, that's a good. Yeah, it's probably gotta be turtles, right? Or maybe tortoises. I know parrots get old, but I don't think they get. Do parrots outlive turtles? Hold on, turtle lifespan between 10 and 80. I think parrots outlive turtles. Parrot lifespan, I think it's like 110 or something like that. It's like the average. Why can't they just give me 95 years, 50 years? Okay, so according to Google, right, if we're just going based off of the first results that show up, some individuals are known to have lived longer than 150 years. Hold on, let's see what parrots say. What's the oldest living parrot? 140. Not bigger than 150, but crap, dude, they live a long time. Man, yeah, I mean, I guess turtles still get it, but jeez, could you imagine? Shine on Durkee? Shine on Durkee. Am I saying that right? I don't think I'm saying that right. Shine. Yeah, it's gotta be Shine on Durkee. Durkee? I was gonna say Duggery, but that's not right. Or like Dudley. That's really wrong. But interesting. Oh, hey, either way, I like the name. I'm confused as to if I'm saying it right. I'm probably not, but thank you so much for the follow. Happy to have you around. Maybe you can let me know in chat. How do I actually pronounce it? There's a running joke here that I never get it wrong. Actually, it's a running I had it right. Look at that. See? And that's why I am the champion of names. I challenge any streamer to beat me at names, and we'll only air it if I win. And then I'll just be champion. I'll forever be champion. No one will ever pronounce names better than me. That is a fact. You heard it here first, folks. Shine on Derry. All right, well, it's an even better name now that I got it right. There's a sponge that's basically immortal. 10,000 years? What? Jellyfish that's basically immortal, and a sponge that's basically 10,000. Jesus Christ, dude. That is, oh man. Oh, and you gotta go. Please read the artifacts to brighten your day and my day. I will read them. I will. Holy crap, dude. That's such a long time. Crabs are immortal too, I think. I think crabs, I know they live a long time, and they like just basically keep molting. There are like some huge crabs that are like really old. Like the whole shellfish, like crabs, lobsters, that whole biome of animals, right? That's the right word, right? Category of animals. I don't know. I'm not a biologist. I don't need to know that, but I'm pretty sure that like there's like some species in that biome where it's like if you just give them enough water, right? If you don't kill them, or if they aren't killed by one of their natural predators, they'll live for a very long time. Is it species? It's not like, well, like a crab and a lobster isn't in the same species, but they're both shellfish. What is the shellfish in that in that category. What? How do we get this distracted? I should probably also change but. There we go. Now it's better. Okay. Let's work on the homepage. If we can get the homepage working, I think that'll be a good place for us to stop. And I don't think it's gonna be that difficult. There's only 2 things we need to do. It's not a lot. It's not a lot at all. Nope. Crap. Boom. Save, format it. Okay. We need newsletter sign up. That's gonna be easy. That one should already be pretty fixed. Everything on the homepage is actually like pretty dumb components. It benefits me now. Not hooks. Let's see, newsletter sign up. Let's duplicate it, capitalize it, cut it, and paste it. Sounds like a really cool, like bop it kind of thing. No, don't do anything. Okay, we get rid of this Firebase. Get rid of components. Raise text field we already made. That exists. And then we're done? Right? If I go back to homepage, newsletter sign up. One problem. Did I not bring? No, raise text field is here. Why are you being upset? Don't be upset. Well, now I'm confused. Oh, maybe, yeah, there we go. Okay. Except it's not showing up in homepage because I didn't uncomment it. Okay. Uncomment that one, and then there's one down here at the bottom as well. No, that is the opposite of what I wanted. Yeah. Look at that. It's showing up. Okay. All right. Guys, we're getting a website. We are building a website. Ooh, Soulshine. I forgot why I was following this channel, and then I clicked and saw VS Code. Hey, happy to have a fellow VS Coder around, all right? VS Code is so good. Crustacean. Yes, that is the word. But what is that, a category? Is that a that's the word I was looking for when I said shellfish, because I don't know if crab is actually technically a shellfish, but yeah, crustacean's a good one. No, I can't read it now. I'm gonna get distracted. We're on a timer. I will read it before cooldown. How about that? If you have to go, Big Potato, I do wish you farewell. But I can't get too distracted right now. Dreamweaver over VS Code. Oh, Peak, you tickle me. That, oh man, I don't know if I've ever even heard that sentence before. I don't know anyone who would say that, even in a joking manner. Nope, that's wrong. Cut, paste, and rename. God, I hate. This is gonna get real tired real quick. Thankfully, should be pretty good. Shouldn't be too much that needs to happen here. These are our features. So we can bring our features back with our icons, and our page will look all beautiful. I am a little concerned that the homepage here is gonna give me some false hope that everything else is also gonna translate very easily. Holy crap, look at that. Yeah, they just come back and they look like they should. I don't know why I'm so surprised, and I don't know why I'm so skeptical. Yes, stay. That's what I want. Dreamweaver was the bomb when table layouts were all the rage. Legit. It made everything so much easier. It's the new iPhone. No, I don't remember that. Holy crap. No, I don't. I don't think I want to remember it either, if I'm being perfectly honest with you. Dev stream. This is gonna be a good one. This one should be pretty easy. Pretty easy. Let's see. Development stream. Do the whole song and dance. Cut, copy, paste, rename. Cut, paste. No. I don't want to do never because sometimes it's very convenient. I just want it to stop asking me for like this session. Next time I open up VS Code, ask me again, but don't ask me right now. Ooh, okay. Components, Twitch stream. I gotta bring that in. I don't know where that's from. Ooh. 44 by 45. Well, I know because there's an X in the beginning. X44 by X44. X45. Are you 44 by 45? Do you just go by 44th 5? What do you go by? How do I say this? How do I thank you? Thank you, Mr. Measurements. I don't know. I'm so confused now. But I do thank you for the follow. That dude's gonna give it to you. The immortal jellyfish actually resets its life as soon as it gets old. They're vulnerable enough through what? Are vulnerable. Oh, they're invulnerable, though most jellyfish don't have brains and they just carried by the current. Okay. Yeah, I mean when you're dumb like a jellyfish, right? When you don't really have much of any physical free will, yeah, it's probably pretty easy to live forever then. You know, as humans, we gotta do work. We gotta you know, we gotta live and breathe and walk and work out and eat healthy, and a jellyfish just floats along in the water. Yeah, it can live forever. I'd live forever too if I just did nothing. Ooh, just hex DE. Oh man, I didn't get that one right. I definitely didn't get that one right. Oh man, oh man, now I'm bummed again. Dang it, I was on such a good streak too. And I just went and ruined it. Twitch stream. Okay. Cut, copy, paste. Somebody, who was it that was talking about WebStorm? Hold on. I never actually used WebStorm, but I have a friend who does. He swears by it. And I am honestly not convinced, right? I think every IDE and every like text editor has a lot of good things about it. But I am confused as to what about WebStorm makes it great, right? That's my only concern, my only question. Oh crap. Okay. Yep. I gotta import this too. This is getting big. But it's okay. It's okay. It's not too big or anything. Okay. We gotta bring in this hook. Use load script. God, I was so proud of myself when I made that, and I actually think it's very, very silly. It's useful, but silly. And thankfully it doesn't do anything special, so I don't have to worry too much about that. Okay, use load script. Yep. Development stream. Yep. Okay, let's go to homepage and uncomment this and see if that works. No, something's broken. What's broken? Oh, it what? In our Twitch stream component, IntelliJ does great editor overall with JetBrains. Yeah, Dreamweaver is the IDE of the Lord. Oh man. For some reason, my uni keeps your account active for 5 years after. What? Why? This whole gesture is that, but I've been milking my school education account for free IntelliJ Ultimate, and I haven't gone to school in 3 years. Jeez. I mean, hey, you lucked out. You're benefiting. Your secret's safe with me, all right? I still use the GitHub educational like bundle thing, and I don't even actively use my school email anymore. I still have it because, of course, because you get free things, right? And everyone loves free things. But yeah, no, I haven't used. I still just use all the benefits, right? I paid for that education, all right? I am like tens of thousands of dollars in debt for that stupid piece of paper, all right? I'm gonna milk everything I can get with that piece of paper, all right? You better believe it. Yes, and the GitHub student discounts are OP. That is the best way to put it. Gee, it is like you get everything. You just get whatever. They just throw it at you. Just take it. Just take it. Who cares? It doesn't know what this is, but I brought this in. Yes. Use load script. Yes, I did. Ah. Okay. It's complaining. Line 29. Ah, okay. Is it upset by? What is it upset by? I can't read this. Dataset is possibly no? No, that's not right. Script is possibly no? Yeah. Okay. I guess script is possibly no. Sure. No, that's not right. What is it complaining about? Invalid left-hand side of the expression. How is that an invalid left-hand side? I can do literally whatever I want here. Why? Why? Does this make you happy? Okay, well, that actually did help. Cool. Wasn't actually expecting that to do anything. But okay. If you could do let script equals document that get. Wait, did I not do that? Document get element by ID. Yeah, but I guess technically, I think it was the data set that it was upset by for whatever reason, which doesn't make any sense. Oh, okay. I guess the type of it is a DOM string map, and I was trying to just set it explicitly with dot notation. Fine. Computer, if you want to be dumb, I'll let you be dumb. All right, you just go be dumb all over there on your own. What is this yelling about? It's yelling line 67. On line 67, there is no Gatsby underscore anything. We now do. Oh crap! Is it just create React at? Is it create React at? Oh, also capitalized, right? Am I crazy? Yeah, that's right. Right? Maybe it's not right. Hold on. String or undefined is not assigned to type string. Okay, that's why. That's why. Because this, it apparently doesn't know. Okay. Or we'll default it to my stream. Why? Why is there so many stupid type issues? Oh, that's because, yeah, I don't know what this returns. Can I do explicit any? Let's see. Catching up on chat. The bang at the end. Oh, yes, that would change things, wouldn't it? Yes, it would. Well, let me, for my sanity, I will leave that there in case I come back to this and want to revisit and go down this rabbit hole. That is good to know. That is a good point. Blah, 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 blah. I know they just did this cool graduation thing for anyone graduating during the Rona and couldn't attend one. Oh, man, wouldn't be. Hold on, what? American Idiot, what is up, my dude? And Muscle Mansion. Holy crap, that's an awesome name. I feel like you got to be jacked though. Like, first of all, the first word in your username is muscle, right? Instantly, you just got to be yoked out of your mind, all right? And then the second word is mansion, which means you're like a rich baller, jacked human, right? There's no gender in there. It's not, Muscle Mansion man or woman or something. So I can't, I can't picture you too clearly, but I do picture someone who's just yoked out of their mind. You're either The Rock or Abby, and you live in a wonderful, gorgeous, huge house. I am either way, I am jealous. All right. And I am Toothpick Mansion. I like it. It's like the big dude being called tiny. It's like the reverse of that. Oh man. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, it's a TypeScript thing. I totally forgot about that. But I'm just gonna ESLint disable. Just why? Is that not the right? Yes, ESLint disable. All right, let's just take this and we'll just get rid of this. I actually don't like that it won't run. Wait, this ain't failed to compile. Hold on. Quizzing has type any location where the type can be. It shouldn't matter. You shouldn't care. I'm okay with any. Why? I'm so confused. I'm so happy I don't have to do this for a job. I would hate it. Honestly, it's not that bad. It's generally really not that bad. For whatever reason, it's something with the new like linting rules and everything that I have set up with the like Create React app version of MovieOtter that I still need to go through, and I still need to I need to fine tune it. There's also no types for this like Twitch embed API stuff, which would be very, very nice if they existed. I would not have to do a lot of this here. And I don't know why this doesn't like any. And it's complaining about this loaded thing. So maybe that is also. Well, okay. Now we're back into our thing here. Let's try this. Whoa! All right, that was it. That was definitely it. I have no idea why. Still don't know why. But yeah. Apparently it's not working right though. But you know what? That's a bug. Pop. Yes. High five. Boom. Right there. React is fun though. You could be doing Enterprise Angular instead. Yeah. No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to work on anything Enterprise ever if I can avoid it. And I get paid to do accessibility on React. Nice. That's pretty dope. I really, one thing I definitely need to do once all said and done is go through and just make sure that MovieOtter is actually adhering to like accessibility rules and stuff. I think it's relatively easy, and you do get a good amount of things out of the box for free with like Material UI. But there's also a lot of stuff I'm sure I could be doing to just make it better, right? I think for the most part, like my colors are fine and things like that. Like generally I have either light on dark or dark on light. But obviously, you know, sizes might need to be adjusted, or some hues might need to be adjusted. I definitely want to comply to the, was it A11Y? Is it Ally? Is it Ally? I never actually heard it said or anything. I've only ever read it, so hopefully I can conform to that. But yeah, that's dope. That's super cool. Next.js is best. I hear it's great. We use it at work at my day job. And actually I thought about using it with MovieOtter as well. Literally the other day, I'm like, all right, I know I'm switching away from Gatsby. Should I just take the time now to like learn, you know, to set up like a Next.js project and stuff like that? And ultimately I decided against it for now, at least, just because then I would definitely need like a server and everything like that. Like you can run a Next.js project on like a serverless infrastructure, but with the cold starts and everything for at least Firebase functions, it wouldn't be ideal. So I decided against it for now. We'll see what happens 4 more versions from now, right? Like who knows what will happen then, what I'll be feeling. But yeah. Oh, wait a second. I think I might know why it wasn't working. Where is it? Still upset by useload script. That doesn't make sense. But in here, is it not? Hold on. Let me go off screen for a hot second. What? Well, that's concerning that autocomplete doesn't want to find my environment variables. It's not create React app. It's just React app. Cool. I knew that. I don't know why you guys are being all silly about that. I don't know why you would type such a stupid thing. Jeez. Do you even program, bro? Do you even program? There we go. And now it's loading. Sweet. Perfect. Everything's fixed. No worries. All is good with the world. Ooh, Coco Gorilla. I missed Young. Oh man. Young Dumb Suck. I don't know if that's right. I'm gonna assume it is. Because it's kind of funny, right? I like it. Thank you both for the follows. Happy to have you here. I think we're gonna be moving on to our cooldown in not too long. Let's see. We go back to homepage. What else is there? There's prompt login display and Discord server. We can knock both of these out together. Okay. Prompt login display. All right, let's get this copied. And Discord server, which is already capitalized. Nice. Prompt login display. We're gonna, oh wait, hold on. Let's do them one at a time. Yeah, we gotta do them one at a time because this one I would need to rename and cut. The other one I just can paste and it's fine. Okay. No, stop asking me, you stupid computer. What? I can't wait for the solar flare to come and just wipe all these computers out. They're being so stupid. I hate on. Oh, why is this need heading? Oh, wait. Components? No, that component. That's right. Right? I'm not crazy. You're crazy. That's right. I'm spelling that right. I used to use Meteor.js like 5 years ago. Hope Next.js doesn't turn into that. I I've never used Meteor, so I don't know. But it does. I mean, everyone I know who uses Next.js seems to love it. They seem to really, really love it. Almost at 15 years old, but didn't want to be even further off. Oh man. Let's see. Ooh, novelist. Hello and welcome. I missed you. Thanks for joining us. Let's see. Mulgert. Hi, Mulgert. I hope I'm saying that right. That's a funny sounding name. And Zufo. What is going on, dude? Bring on the solar EMP. Yeah, let's just start over. You know, we don't need all these fancy schmancy computers. All right. I want the reign of the muscle mansions I want them to reign again. All right. I'm trying to be a part of that squad. You know, have all the money and muscles so that when things inevitably just go terrible, I'm on the right side of history. Okay. I don't know about you guys. You losers. You and your toothpick huts. Ha! No siree, not us. We're gonna be all good. Right? I'm making it in the club, right? I mean, yeah, I could, lose a little bit and lift a little bit more, but I'm not too far off from Muscle Mansion Club. I just typed in a random word on Google and appended JS to the end. And of course, it was an existing library. Ooh, hold on. Let's try this. Let's try that. Mansion JS. Is that a thing? Yep, that's a thing. Sweet. Yeah, yep, man. All right. That's actually a very fun game. Hold on. Gumbo JS has to be a thing. Gumbo JS. Yep. It's a thing. I don't know what it does, but it is a thing. It is. Yeah, that's a fun game. That is a fun game. Oh god. Okay. Error button, login button we already have. Error display we don't. Ooh, let's pull in error display. Slowly but surely, eventually we'll have all these components copied over, and then we won't have to do this anymore, and will be just a matter of fixing imports, which I can't wait for that day. That's gonna be a very glorious day. Ooh, what do you guys have planned for the weekend? Pizza.js, you know that Pizza.js is a thing. JS, that. Oh man. All right, what do you guys think the odds are that JS exists? I'm gonna say pretty high. Definitely. Oh, JS. Yep. Hate us. I hate myself and all my fellow developers. I hate us so much. For whatever reason, we are so bad at names, and I don't know why, but we are absolutely terrible at names. So bad. I just no idea why, but we are just so bad. Heading we can copy over. All right, that was capitalized already. Sweet. From React router DOM. I think eventually I will just import from React router. Maybe not. I'll leave it. Yeah, I'll leave it. Oh no! That is the timer. And I am not done yet. No. Okay. Ooh, another thing that will definitely be a part of this changeover is actually implementing like some sort of testing with storybooks and jest and all that stuff. Very excited to finally add something that will hopefully make MovieOtter a little bit more stable. Okay. Prompt login display. That exists, that exists, that exists. Error display, auth provider. Okay, these should work now. Why doesn't it like prompt login display? That should work. Oh, it does. And then, oh, what was the other one? Error display? Hold on. Hold on. What did I just import? Prompt login display and Discord server. Discord server. Yep. Okay. Okay. So now we can go in. Awesome. That works. Let's get Discord server in here. And there's also one more prompt login display. No? Maybe not. Maybe not. If I refresh? If I ask nicely? Please? Please work? Come on. Do it. Do it. Why are you not working? Crap. What did we do? What did we break? How don't we break anything? There we go. All right. Okay. 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 So far, so good. Everything's there and it's looking nice. Heck yeah. Curious. Technically, if I click this, it should work because all of that stuff is in the hierarchy in the auth provider, and auth provider exists now. I can open and close that. And if we try to sign in, and I sign in with Jordan Kit, should still be able to sign in. Same Firebase project. I log in, that goes away, and I have my thing here. Oh man, that's a win. That is a real big win. That's awesome. I am very happy with what we have so far, and we're only like 2 minutes over time budget, which, you know, it's not the end of the world. Holy crap, we got our whole homepage, our shell, our header, our navigation, our confirmation prompts, and our auth provider, and all that stuff copied over today. Yeah, I think I'm definitely really glad that we're switching over from Gatsby to this. I think it'll just speed up development so much. Ooh, let's see. Speaking of Discord, yes, we do have our Discord. Naming's easy. Just go with IKEA website and pick something. Honestly, Pete, that's I feel like that's not too far off from what a lot of people do, me included. Oh snap! Timer. What's your timer strat? The timer strat is to make sure that I don't go to bed too late and just regret it inevitably, which I'll probably still regret it either way. I set a timer so that around 10 o'clock my time, if I'm not already in cooldown, should definitely be transitioning to cooldown. I can't believe this worked. Like, I can't believe it works smoothly. That is the big surprise. And if I go anywhere, we just see big old butts because some stuff doesn't exist yet. But that's okay. The thing that is most important is here, the homepage. And it looks just beautiful. It looks exactly as it used to, which is great because that's the goal. Ooh, Chakta. What is that? Let's see. I got some jQuery talk in chat. jQuery's nice. Wait, are people crapping on jQuery? Mess around with it today. Better than semantic. Ooh, all right. I have to try it. I have to look in it. Chakta. Man, a lot of people like Tailwind, and not bad. I haven't tried it, but I'm still just amazed at how much people like Tailwind. So yeah. What? Ethan. I don't even know. That's not a thing. That's not a thing. That's not a library. Oh, why? Why? Version 9. Maxed out version. There's no license. There's the longest package name in NPM. That is what it does. It's what it's. Yeah. All right. Why is it getting downloads? Who is adding this to their project and why? Is it on GitHub? Can we see it? The README, the Explorer. I don't think this is giving me any of what I want. No, it's not. It's not. No, maybe it's not on GitHub. Maybe it's just a it's literally an empty package. Oh man, so good, so good. Ah, yes. Okay, I will read one. We will get one of the artifacts in before cooldown. Okay. You know what? Let's do two. Otters protect forests of human otters. Wait, what? Otters protect forests of humans otters love to eat? I don't know what that one is. They consume 25% of their body weight daily. Otters don't have blubber, but have nice thick water repellent fur. They have the thickest fur of any animal. Really? Hey, I learned something new. Cat, no. Otters kill dogs. Shush, you see films. You quiet you. All right, we don't shush. You don't know. No, otters love dogs. They support dogs. And they do great things. They're lovable creatures. All of you navalists, you too. Shush, you. No, we don't. No, no. We don't speak of the ill of the otters that way. Okay, this is a very otter-friendly stream. Okay, everyone here loves otters except for Cerebral. He loves beavers, but he's weird. He's weird. See, I knew he was gonna do that. He's weird. Everyone, make fun of him, mock him, and laugh him. Ha ha. Is my dog safe here? Of course your dog is safe here. Oh, the tiger? This is actually a Australian beaver. I'll have you know, Soulshine. All right, it's an Australian beaver. And they are natural cohabitants with otters, and I am trying to build the beaver otter relation. I don't know. I thought I was going somewhere with that when I started that sentence, and it went nowhere. But with that, we got some good work done. Let's actually make a git commit, and then let's switch over to cooldown. How's that sound? Anybody want to play some Rocket League? Anybody here? I know the ball was in there earlier, right? Oh man, I'm gonna say it wrong. Synecdoche. Yeah, Synecdoche. I'm saying that right. I know I'm saying it right. I gotta be saying it right. Yeah, hells yeah. All right, cool. We'll get you in. Cerebral, I'm sure he's gonna be in. All right, let's get a little Rocket League chaos going for our cooldown. But first, let's commit our changes here. This is a feature. It's not really a convert of the homepage. Migrate homepage to CRA. Boom, boom, beautiful. All these components done and lovely. I love them all. Let's go ahead, push this. And I've been lurking. Duval's been lurking. did cool thing. Honestly, if I was to go through my history, if I didn't squash and merge my commits, my commits and my PRs, you would see so many just whip. Even now, you still see a bunch of whips in there. But every now and again, I'll forget, or I'll just do something on master to make it like really fast, or like a quick fix kind of change. And yeah, you'll see a not very useful commit message, but I try my best to actually do good with my commit messages. It's hard. It's really hard though. Baked Potato, dude, so happy you could be here. So happy you stopped by. And before you go, I will read one more fun otter fact. When otters are born, their fur is so dense they can't even sink, so their parents leave them when hunting for food. I didn't know that. To me, that just sounds, wow, man, that sounds like it's just a big, dense baby. That's, oh man. I mean, I'm happy that it works out for the parents. Oh no. All right, well, this gives me time to change the stream over because we are no longer doing science and technology, which, by the way, leads me into my spiel for everyone here still. In fact, I have even a cool little chat command that I can drop for everyone here. Thank you so much for, oh wait, hold on. No. I broke it. I broke the stream. Am I back? Okay. Let's try this again. Hopefully it works better. For everyone here, thank you for stopping by and for hanging out. And you still can hang out. I invite you all to still hang out with us as we play games and have fun. But if you are just someone looking for some cool development stuff, the development portion of the stream is over. We're going to transition into the cooldown, which is us just kind of hanging out, having fun. We're gonna play some Rocket League. If you have Rocket League, maybe even we could get you in here one of these times. For everyone else, thank you. Please, love to have you here again. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, starting at 8 p.m. Ooh, it's the 5th anniversary of Rocket League too. Yeah, happy to have you here. Glad you stopped by. Thank you to all the new followers. Some of these guys, Muscle Mansion, top name, right? Coco Gorilla, fantastic. Young Dumbsuck, it makes me like, I don't like saying it because I feel like I'm saying something bad that I just don't know. Like I feel like you're trolling me somehow. But it's your name, so I can't get mad at it. Shine on Durgy, Durgy. I think it was Durgy. Said that right at one point or another. Amir Attack. I think I said it was Amir Attack. And then we got XD, which I don't think is how he meant for me to say it. Mr. Measurements, I think was the other nickname I gave him because I spent way too long trying to figure out how to say his username. Thank you all for following and hanging out, and hopefully you continue to hang out. But with that, I think it's time we play some Rocket League.